here at 21 Vienna Place in Birkenhead.
Set back off the road for peace and privacy, this character family home has been recently renovated to a very high standard. There's nothing to do but move in and enjoy.
This home offers 4 good-sized bedrooms, a separate study, multiple living areas with ample storage. All of this flowing out to either the upper or lower decks that look out to the stunning private grounds.
Located in a quiet cul-de-sac on one of Birkenhead's most desirable streets, it's close to great cafes, restaurants, schools, shops and transport. For those of you looking for tranquility and privacy, this is a must-view property.
My name's Hannah, this is David. Let's go take a look.